What's up, guys? Okay, so I have to be quiet. Jaren, my sister, is inside of our house right now. Her, my mom, and Victoria's family are over helping paint the inside of our house, so she's busy. This is her I don't know what year Focus this is, but this is her Focus SE. And she's been texting me for a while saying she really wanted to, she's got like a Naruto, look at that, that's awesome. She's been texting me for a while saying that she really wants to modify her car. And when I was working on my Toyota Supra yesterday at the shop, she even texted me, she said, I want a big wing. We should look for a wing. Little does she know, I actually bought a wing for her a couple weeks ago before I moved. So I told her to bring her car here. I'm gonna scope it out. But I'm actually gonna test fit the wing and possibly even get it all painted and stuff for her today. I think this is it. Guys, she has no idea I'm doing this. I think she's gonna be stoked. She said she might have wanted a bigger wing, but I don't think that's gonna look quite right. I don't even know how to take this off. I'll figure that out. But I bought her a Focus RS style wing that I'm gonna end up painting and stuff for her. I think that's gonna look really cool. I think she's gonna be super stoked about it. Let's go ahead and put it together. I know a lot of you guys out there probably wouldn't do this. And this is like the equivalent of like up badging a car. She's my 17-year-old sister who I love, and she wants a wing on her car. So what am I gonna do as the brother who builds cars in the family? I'm gonna just get her a cool looking wing. Not quite done yet. Obviously, we've got to do like the third brake light and stuff. I've got to do a lot of transferring, but this is the wing. Now I've got to figure out how to take the wing off of her car. For something that's really not that expensive, that's a pretty nice little piece you can buy. Here we go. Oh, she got that 5.3 on deck. I am pretty sure I've got to take this stuff off for sure. And I'm about 99% sure this has to come off. What's up? What?
So like, you know.
Yeah, I'm trying to figure out how to get I'm trying to like look at it and see like what the bolt holes look like. Just so you can see, but that's all I'm doing. You got mad at you?
I drip pain. I feel like everyone hates my presence right now, so I'm making my lead.
It's not too bad.
It looks like an otter, you know?
An otter?
Does it stand up? Does it look like an otter?
Sure.
Hold on, no. Hold on.
Keep that creative mind of yours.
Hold on.
I definitely know what you're talking about.
Am I wrong?
Okay, alright, you're not wrong.
It looks like an otter.
You're not wrong. You're definitely correct. Here, you want to take it off?
Huh?
You want to try it? Take a bolt off?
I can't guarantee
All you gotta do is squeeze this little thing and then put that there. Line it up.
I don't trust myself.
You can give it a shot. Let's show what you got.
Oh my
It's pretty nice, huh? It's pretty fun.
Scared.
This nice little tray, this holder
How long
tray.
do I do it for?
Until it's off. So line it up, do it slowly first. There you go. There you go.
Okay.
No, that's good. Nice. What's going on?
Surprise?
What?
Huh? No?
What?
What?
What did you say?
No, I said surprise.
Oh, I got scared for a second.
I'm just taking off her thing right now. Ain't no surprise. I'll when I get this off, I'll let you know and I'll show you
I'll be back.
what I'm working with. There'll probably be like maybe 10 something, maybe more minutes.
Yeah, come save me, please. Whenever.
All right. Oh my God, dude. That was close. So she's painting, and then so Victoria, her mother, and my mother, and them, like maybe getting some like painting disagreements. I don't know, but she comes outside and the wing is right here. So I had to move it to right here, and she didn't see a damn thing. And then my mom comes outside and says, surprise? I'm like, no, Mom, the damn wing isn't even off yet. So I got one little bolt, and then we're gonna take it off. This is stressful. Now here's the fun part. I'm gonna probably wipe it down a little bit, then we're gonna test fit it. It is now time to get her from inside and see how she likes her new wing. Now, I've got a lot to do. There's a little bit of fitment stuff I'm gonna have to, that's sick, dude. There's a few fitment things I'm gonna have to end up trying to do with this. I definitely have to put some double-sided tape pretty much all around. But look at that, that actually fits really well for a pretty inexpensive wing. Yo, look at that, man. I'm gonna have like a working third brake light and everything like that too. Let's see if this, just a little, that could actually work, dude. This is gonna be perfect because I'm gonna have her walk around this way and you actually can't see the wing because of the thing I was using to be inconspicuous and put, that was my camera prop. All right, let me get Jaren. Hey, Jaren, come out here. Let me show you what's going on. Huh?
It's different.
Uh-huh.
It looks different.
It looks different?
A little different. How did you get one so fast?
I had one a couple weeks ago.
A couple weeks ago?
Yeah, I bought it for you.
I think we bought it the night we talked about it.
What?
You were like, I kind of want a wing, and so I just bought you a wing. So it's not painted. We can do that today. I just found a red that's been sitting around. Check this out. You can help me do this if you want. Oh. We can actually paint it red, and I can get some clear coat if you want.
Or you can do black if you want black, like you said.
Do you like it?
Yeah, I like it a lot.
You said you wanted a big wing. Here's your little stock one.
Oh, so it replaced the whole thing.
Yeah, so here's this little guy that used to be there. And they got like a whole upper deck.
That's a big boy.
That's a big boy. You like it?
Yeah, it's a big boy.
I think once it's painted, it'll look a little better, but
I wish I could be more surprised, but I knew.
Oh. How did you
You and Mom both said, surprise!
Well, no,
Yeah.
when she came back in, I was like, surprise! And Jay goes,
Really? I tried so. She comes outside.
I was like, she's out here, she already knows.
She came outside and she wasn't supposed to. And so I was like, oh damn, that's Jaren. And so I stuffed the wing like under the car this way. And so like I had to play it off like I don't know what's going on here. And so I started I had her help me unbolt the wing.
Yeah.
And yeah, then Mom comes out and goes, surprise!
Yeah, she said that. She goes, I went out there and said surprise, and then I came inside, and she goes, what? And I'm like, oh, crap.
Well, damn! Well, that sucks.
I'm surprised you got it a couple weeks ago.
Yeah, it's actually a pretty easy install. So now what we gotta do is take it all back apart. Do you wanna help me paint it? Or just want me to do it? Okay, cool. We might have to go to the store and grab some stuff. But I need some clear coat. So this will stay black. I can either keep this like the plastic black, which just honestly should look fine next to the red, or we can like do it a deeper black. Okay. All right. Use the little otter. You got it. It should be going.
Okay, is it on?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. Now stop. Now grab it with your fingers and like start screwing it out. Nope. Other way.
Sorry.
Left. It drops. That's gonna really suck. There you go. Now get the other one. Keep going.
Is it really? Well,
Just keep
No.
going. Just keep going. It's fine.
I'm a little scared right now.
Go. Commit. There you go. There you go. You're good. All right. Now I'll take it off, and I gotta completely dismantle it. I think so. She wants to go with a gloss black. We're gonna do that. I'm gonna take it apart. We're gonna do that. I'm gonna go to the store, and I'll actually probably get some clear coat too, just so it doesn't just look like the regular gloss back. So.
I just put my hand in a spider web to get this.
Oh, that sounds bad. So to sand it, yeah, just gotta like go over it. I'm trying to just get all the grease off. Just make it a little scratchy. Just needs a little bit of a rough surface to stick on. We're gonna like barely cover it. Like that right there is like the first coat. Let's see what you got. Full commit. You just gotta commit to it. Yep, spray it right now.
Oh my god, okay. Oh!
There you go.
I didn't
Feeling good about that? Yeah, there you go. Now do it again? Try it. All right.
How does that make you feel?
You're good? Yep.
That's so bad.
You got it.
I don't want to get too
You got it.
close.
You got it.
Is that better?
There you go. That's money. Maybe I'm at 6 inches. I said a foot. Dude, then we're getting bombarded by wasps. So you want to make sure, because like whenever you start tilting it like this, not enough can come out. So you got to somehow like always kind of keep it like a little bit vertical. And so, go ahead and try it again. I think you did pretty good for your first try. I think it's fine. All right, there you go. Just trying to get too close and never ever focus on like one little area. And also don't step on the fresh paint.
Okay, maybe you should do this.
Yeah.
I meant for this.
It's hey, you know what? You're killing it right now. You got some cool Joe Exotic tiger stripes going on.
Sign.
That looks good.
You can,
There you go, a little swish. That's nice. First time in right-hand drive?
I don't like it at all.
Oh, just wait. Gets better.
That means it gets worse. What is it?
You'll get used to it real quick. Yeah. Yeah. Shift lock.
Yeah,
Oh,
that's what it says.
that's pretty cool. So we got some clear coat. I'm gonna do a little bit of sanding, and we're gonna make this look as best as we can out of a spray can. I'm impressed you can read that. That's actually, what did you say this one reads?
It says shifto.
No, what does this one read?
That one, oh, that I can't read that, but that
Oh.
says mite kudasai, which means like, please look.
Wow.
I don't know what the top part says.
It's impressive. We should just go to Japan.
I really would like to.
We should just take a trip to Japan. Be pretty tight.
I'm gonna work my Japanese.
You gotta learn how to drive stick first.
I want to.
All right, well, bet. Ooh, baby. Jaren's we're gonna play some anime music. And I'm gonna finish doing this, but I sand it down. It's gonna look nice. Easy shots.
Steezy, what does that even mean?
You know what that means.
I don't know what it means.
Just show what
Got
I'm
some
doing.
cinematics going on. This is a close up. I don't know how to zoom in, so we're just gonna get really close to you.
That is really close. That is really close. So it's a lens.
Oh!
There you go.
Believe it or not, I was in your book, but I don't know how to work I don't know how to
Now
work a
you
camera.
know. I've taught you more than you learned all year. Oh, but you're still going, huh?
Uh-huh.
You wanna give us
Like
a
those
shot?
Animal Planet videos.
Wow.
They're like a natural Evan in his natural habitat.
Alright.
Close at the bottom would go. It would wobble.
And it. What? What just happened? Oh, that was weird. All right, you ready to pull her out? Yeah. See her in the light?
I'm a little scared.
Dude, it's gonna be kind of cool, man. No, as much I do wish I could have a professional paint job, but this will do for now till I can. This is a nice one-day event. She says she wants to make it louder too. She wants an exhaust. Yo, look at that. Ooh, I gotta wipe off some fingerprints, but it actually looks pretty decent, dude. So it's not gonna, when you paint stuff, paint has to actually shrink. I can actually do a lot of polishing and clean this up pretty soon, but we gotta do some cleaning up. I'm sorry that the adults ruined the surprise for you. That's a huge bummer.
It's okay.
I gotta tell you guys, I was so bummed, dude. I feel like I played off that so well when she came out.
Great job.
Well, thanks. Nah, not so great. I like it. It actually goes with, I was thinking I was gonna want, maybe we can wrap it red or something for you, or you wrap the whole car. But it goes with the wheels and stuff, so that's good. Does that fill your like wing satisfaction?
I think I'm satisfied.
That is really funny that you texted me literally yesterday and said you wanted a wing.
I've been thinking about it nonstop. I'm like, I look kind of dope.
Give me a brake light check. Oh, the brake light even works. Here, drive it around to the sun. Let's go around like the side of the house. Wow. You happy?
Oh, this is nice.
That's pretty cool.
I like that. That looks nice.
I'm satisfied for now? Sweet. Let me know if you want to do any more.
Of course I do.
Just let me know and I'll figure something out. I'll make it happen. I think you said you wanted to get it a little louder. I think we could make that happen pretty easily. Bye. Ooh, look at that. There we go. That's the Evan inner. That actually looks really good. That looks really sick. I'm a little impressed. It might be kind of fun to try and see if there's like cold air intake or something like that. Lesser expensive parts we could do on her car. I'll search eBay and see what I can find. I did find that wing on eBay. I think it's on eBay. I can't remember, but just search up like Focus wings and it fits. It's direct replacement. So in all my videos, I end my videos with daily advice. Honestly, I just want to say with what's going on in the world right now, love everybody. There is never a reason. To me, I can't even comprehend racism, but there's never a reason to not love somebody because of the way that they look. That's something you teach like a 3-year-old. It's just crazy because adults are having issues with this, but like, love everybody, man. Doesn't matter the color of your skin. Doesn't matter where you've been, what you've done. It's absolutely horrible for what happened. And I do want to say that if you remain neutral in stuff like this, then you're taking the oppressor's side. So if you believe in something, then take a stand for it. So wrong what happened to George, but he was just a person with a family, with friends, like people that loved him, and whack. Get this thing pumping for everybody. It helps. It feels so good. I love you guys. I'll catch you guys later. Make sure you guys subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you next video. Peace. Hey! I got 2 videos for you, by the way. What I want you to do is I want you to watch them. I want you to watch those 2 videos. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Keely needs to poop, I can tell, so I'm going to take her outside.